Hello and welcome to DJ Boutique, where you'll find easy to follow DIY tutorials. Today, we are going to make a bow with cotton spandex. The reason I love this fabric because it doesn't fray. So first, fold the bottom edge to the center, then the top edge. Then, using a ruler, we'll fold the fabric to find the center point. Then, we will mark the fabric. Now, fold the left edge to the center and the other side. Grab your needle and thread, we will start sewing. With the bow set aside, we'll now make the tail. We'll mark the center again. Now bring the top ends of the fabric to the center, like this. Grab your needle and thread again, we will start sewing. We'll attach this to the bow. Now we will attach the hair clip. I'm using a French hair clip and I'll show you how to attach this specific type of clip to the hair bow. First, we will take this out. Glue the back of the clip, then attach it to the bow. The heat of the glue may reflect to the other side of the clip, so just be careful. we have here a piece of fabric for our centerpiece. We will put this piece back. It's finished! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out my other tutorials for more ideas. See you next time!